18 balls and Nicholas 6 runs of 5 balls. Thailand run rate is 6.62 now. I think it's time for them to push the runs. I think Navid is in good form now. I think he will try to get a few 4s and 6s. Batted well against Malaysia. Mahfuz is continuing his over at the pavilion end.
It's it in the air. That's a huge 6.
That was a floater from Mahfuz and well punished by Navid.
Navid taking up the charge here.